Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator on your mobile device. It's an incredible experience, bringing the vast world of aviation right to your fingertips. The only method currently available for mobile play is through cloud streaming, specifically via Xbox Cloud Gaming. This allows you to stream the full PC version of the game directly to your phone or tablet, offering an authentic simulation experience wherever you are. To get started, you will need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, which unlocks access to Xbox Cloud Gaming. A robust and stable internet connection is also crucial for a smooth experience. We recommend at least 20 megabits per second download speed. Finally, make sure your mobile device, whether it's a smartphone or tablet, is compatible with the Xbox Cloud Gaming app or web interface and running a recent operating system. Once you have met the requirements, the setup is straightforward. First, download the Xbox Game Pass app on your mobile device or simply navigate to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website in your browser. Next, connect a compatible Bluetooth controller, such as an Xbox wireless controller, to your phone or tablet for the best gameplay experience. Then, select Microsoft Flight Simulator from the extensive cloud gaming library and prepare for takeoff. To truly optimize your flight simulation experience, consider a few key tips. Always aim for the most stable and fastest internet connection available, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or a robust 5G cellular connection. Using a dedicated gaming controller is highly recommended, as it provides far greater precision and immersion than touch controls. Also, ensure your device has sufficient battery life and close any unnecessary background applications for smoother streaming.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.